wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So back in 2020, like peak COVID time, I posted a video talking about makeup products that I no longer buy anymore. Like not just, I don't buy from this brand. I got on here with my chest and said, I don't buy foundation anymore. I don't buy powder anymore. So here we are 4 years later. I want to do an updated video and see if I stood on that. See if I stood on business and if I truly no longer buy those products anymore. I'm laughing because I feel like y'all know I did not. But let's go back and see what I said and see how crazy I was at the time. It was the being cooped up inside. It was getting to my brain. It just had me chatting. But let's go. First thing I no longer buy are brow products. I got on Beyonce's internet and said I am not buying brow products anymore. Now my reasoning at the time for why I would no longer buy them is because 2020 would have meant I was like 2 years fresh getting my eyebrows microbladed. If you did not know, I got my eyebrows microbladed in 2018, and they do say that if you have a deeper complexion, microblading works better for you because your skin takes to the pigment better. And I would say, baby, that's true, because really microblading is supposed to be like, I think 3 years, 4 years tops before you have to get a retouch. I have not gotten my microblading retouched, but baby, there's still some pigment there. Okay, my brows still have some shape there, and I'm also not sure if it's from the like cutting that's done into your skin, but like my brows grow in. They don't grow in how they grew in before I got the microblading, and that's my benefit. So at the time, I was heavily reliant on my brows being microbladed, so I said I'm not buying brow products anymore. I buy brow products. However, I have gotten a lot simpler with my brows. Y'all know, like for a good minute, I was using a straight up eyeliner. Now I kind of prefer the like brow pen just because I like the brow products that give you more of a stroke. So it looks like just straight up hairs on your brows. And I also think that is due to the fact that I still have pigment from my microblading. So I am still relying heavily on my brows being microbladed. But other than that, the Refi brow pencil, I really do like that. I really do recommend that one. So those are pretty much the only like brow products that I use. But I'm still not big on brows, but I do buy brow products now. So, and the next product is eye primer. I remember back in the day fighting with MAC paint pots to work on my eyes. Like looking back at it, I might not have been using the right shades for my skin tone, but that's okay because I don't need it in general anymore. Okay, now that I stood on, I do not purchase eye primer anymore because I barely wear eyeshadow anymore. I don't know if I said eyeshadow in this video, but I feel like it's probably going to come up. But yeah, I don't purchase eye primer anymore. If I do wear eyeshadow, I use concealer, and I think I still have like a NYX Jumbo, the white one, to use as a base. So like there's really, even when I did wear eyeshadow, I wasn't big on like the Urban Decay Potion or anything like that. I'd still just used concealer at the time. So that is something that I stood on. I do not purchase eye primer. The next thing are contour products. It's not exactly like I have options that make it so hard to choose, but I have found this Beauty contour stick. Okay, I do buy contour products. It's gotten a little bit better since I posted that video, emphasis on a little bit better. And the irony that I am talking about, I don't really buy contour products anymore because of Beauty, blah, 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 just to see what has happened to and it's just 4 years. That is crazy. But the Beauty stick, great. LYS, the Worthy, the darkish shade they have, chef's kiss. Elf, I'm trying to think of some of my favorites. NYX. Thread Beauty, you can get in like Target, stuff like that. So there are options out there. I don't rush to go buy contour products, and I feel like if I do end up picking them up, it's because it's a new release and like people want to see a video or something like that. But that's pretty, I kind of stood on business, but I didn't. I didn't. This next one's a little shocking to me because I didn't realize it until I sat down to think, like, is there anything that I don't really buy anymore? And I really don't buy lipstick anymore. I stood on that. I do not buy like bullet lipstick anymore. And honestly, truly, ever since I started getting like every gloss bomb that Rihanna launches, I don't buy gloss like that as much either. Recently, I did purchase the Huda Beauty gloss. Trying to think what else. Yeah, I mean, I'm a gloss girly. My lips gonna be glossy. I don't really do matte lips like that anymore. So I don't buy like, you know, satin, even matte lips. I don't buy that anymore. So I stood on that. Another thing I'm pretty good on is mascara. Like, I don't even think I wear it anymore. You know how you're supposed to like put mascara on your bottom lashes, and I think even your top lashes, just so it blends more with your false lashes. I don't even do I don't even do that. The irony that today I'm not even wearing false lashes and I'm just wearing mascara, top, bottom lashes, and it's an expensive mascara. I'm wearing the YSL one. I didn't stand on that at all. I don't know. Mascara on your bottom lashes especially just is that added chef's kiss. And recently I haven't even been wanting to wear falsies like that. So, but also like I feel like my lashes are growing. So maybe, you know, 2020 Shanine was just a hater because she ain't had no visible lashes. That's why she was hating on mascara. I ain't staying on business for a majority of this. And the last thing, which again, if it's not for, you know, some type of collection that needs a review or I'm supporting someone, I am not buying another highlighter ever again. Again, I don't wear highlighter. Okay, now that I stood on. That I stood on and I stand on it today. I am buying no highlighter. I am just not. I don't like it. I don't like it. Give me that like glow from within, or even like blush that kind of has a little satiny to it, but something that looks like you smile. You see how like light just hits my cheek like that? Give me the products that allow me to do. It's just, please, child. Give me the products that allow me to do that without having to get, I just don't like it. I don't like how it looks on the skin, the texture. I do not like highlighter on me, baby. If you want to wear it, if you still wear it, I love that for you. I'm talking for me. That I stood on. I cannot tell you the last time I purchased highlighter. And I can't tell you what it would have to take to get me to purchase highlighter today. There were some honorable mentions in that video. I did mention primer. Y'all know, baby, I purchased a primer. Me and Danessa, which mind you is more like a foundation, but me and Danessa, that universal shade as a primer, we go together like this, okay? I just tried the Oil Sucker from One Size, literally the perfect primer for oily skin. Yeah, so I like primer. I don't know what I was talking about 4 years ago, and I did say concealer in there, and I did stand on that for a good minute, but y'all know I posted a video where I was like, I just didn't find the right concealers for me. The Givenchy, the Fenty, the Gucci, the NARS, those are some of my favorite concealers, so concealer's okay in my book. And I'm surprised that I didn't mention it in that video at the time, but like I really don't purchase eyeliner like that anymore, and if I do, it's gonna be that like NYX the liquid eyeliner, and I pretty much be making that work for me. I'm surprised I didn't say that in that video, but I'm saying it now. We might have to check in 4 years, but I don't really purchase eyeliner like that. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Watching that video back is kind of crazy because first of all, wig, cringe, okay? Literally, that's why they be calling it hats. Just on top of it, just but other than, you know, seeing how different you looked just 4 years ago, which actually, I don't think I look that different. You know, obviously I'm getting older, so bags might be getting baggier under the eyes, but like, I don't think I look that different than 4 years ago. But besides seeing how different you looked, it's funny, like, seeing how different you thought in just a couple of years, and just like how quickly things change and why things change. So, you know, that was kind of a cool video to film. But yeah, that is a 2024 update on the things that I said I would no longer purchase and whether I stuck to that. Now in 2024, am I saying that there's anything that I won't purchase or I don't purchase? Like I just said, eyeliner. I still don't buy lipstick. That's pretty much it. I don't buy contour bronzer like that, but I will purchase it. Yeah, literally everything else, setting spray, lip products, lip liners, I buy it all. All right, y'all, so let me know in the comments down below if there's anything that you feel nowadays you do not purchase, anything you said in the past that you wouldn't purchase, and here we are, we in this boat together on not standing on business. Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.